Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw joy from inside out. First let's get started with the top of the hair. So over on the right hand side, we're going to start and we're going to curve this line over, down, and then up towards the left hand corner. Moving underneath this, leaving a gap, we're going to curve this line out, in, and then back out towards the left. Let's connect this from the point here now. So we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the top. Let's move around behind now. We're going to leave a gap and we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in. From the point here now, we're going to arch this line up. Beside this, we're going to curve this line out and then in. On the top to close off the hair now, in the corner in the middle, we're going to curve this line up and then back down. And then to the right of this, we're going to curve this line out and then down on the side. And then over on the left hand side, we're just going to curve this line up and then back in and down. Let's frame in the rest of the hair now. So once we come up on the side here, we're going to curve this line out, bringing that all the way over and in towards the center. Now let's come across and we're going to curve this line over, connecting that to that line. In the middle now, we're going to curve this line across and then back up, connecting that together. And then in the middle, we're just going to curve this line down, up, over, and then through. And now let's close off the side of the face. So on the left-hand side from the corner here, we're going to curve this line in, out for the cheek, curving that around and through underneath. And we're not going to extend this line past the hair on the right. Now from here, we're going to start back on this line and we're going to continue to curve this line all the way around and over towards the hair. And now on the left-hand side, we're just going to curve this line back in towards the side. Moving down in the center, more over towards the left, we're going to arch this line out and then in for the nose. Let's draw the right eye. It's coming up on a diagonal. We're going to curve this line from left to right. On the right-hand side, let's curve this line up towards the hair. And then on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Moving over towards the left, we're going to arch this line up on the bottom. And now on the side, we're just going to curve this line out and then back down, connecting that in the corner. Let's draw in the center of the eye now. So coming down on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line up, past our hair, back down. And now moving over on the left-hand side, let's curve this line up, around, back in. In the top left-hand corner now, we're going to draw in a small circle for the highlight of the eye. And then moving over towards the left, we will replicate that. Now from here, coming underneath, we're going to draw in a small circle directly in the center for the pupil of the eye. And then we'll move over, and on the left-hand side, we'll replicate this underneath. So we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the side. And then starting back on the top, we're just going to curve this line across. For the mouth coming down below the right eye, let's curve this line from left to right. And now for the center of the mouth, let's curve this line across and out towards the left. Let's step down now. We're going to draw in the neck. So further over towards the right, we're going to curve this line over and out. And then on the left, we're going to curve this line over and out as well. For the right arm here, we're going to curve this line around, bending it at the elbow, arching that in. And then on the top, we're just going to curve this line back, around, and then in, extending that further past. Let's curve this line around and then up towards the center. Let's frame in the dress. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in and then bringing this out on a diagonal. On the inside, we're going to curve this line in. And then from the corner here, we're going to arch this line around and then down, making sure it connects on the line here for the arm. Let's draw in the rest of the hand here now. So moving further down, we're going to draw in a small curved line from top to bottom. Moving beside that, we're going to curve this line up. For the last finger, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then coming behind that, we're just going to draw in another curved line that curves in towards the palm. Let's draw on the left arm now. So moving further down, we're going to curve this line up towards the top. And then on the inside, we're just going to bring our diagonal curved line in towards the side of the dress. On the outside, we're going to arch this line out, bending it at the elbow, bringing that in. Now from here, we're going to draw in a small curved line that arches down. And then we're just going to curve this line around and then back in. Now on the top, for the neckline, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then to close off the dress on the side, we're just going to arch this line around and then in. In the middle now, we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. And now from here, let's close off the bottom of the dress. So in the bottom left-hand corner, we're going to curve this line up and then down. From here now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Let's leave a small gap. On the right-hand side, we're going to curve this down, up, and then back down. Now in the center, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. To the right of this, we're going to bring this diagonal curved line up towards the top. And then we'll connect this on the bottom with a curved line. Now let's move over towards the right. And for our right leg, we're going to bring this line in, out, and then back in on a diagonal. On the inside line, we're going to bring a curved diagonal line that comes down, ending that at the same height. And then now for the foot, we're just going to draw a sideways oval. So we're going to curve this out, up, back in. Now let's draw in our left leg. So on the inside, we're going to draw another curved diagonal line, bringing that out and across. Stepping over towards the left now, we're going to bring a diagonal line that arches out, ending that at the same height. Now on the back, we're just going to draw in a small straight line that comes down. And then from here, we're just going to arch this line around and then in for the foot. And then lastly, for the dress, we're just going to curve this line around and then in to close that off. And then we will do the same thing over on the right. And that is it. That's how you draw joy from inside out. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.